Hello and welcome to this video about common paint defects and how to prevent them. In this video, we will discuss several types of paint defects and their probable causes, as well as tips and on how to prevent them. First, let's talk about cobwebbing. Cobwebbing occurs when fine filaments are produced instead of normal atomized particles during the spraying of some high molecular weight polymer solutions, such as chlorinated rubber. This defect is caused by too high viscosity and can be prevented by reducing the spraying viscosity, selecting a more suitable solvent blend, and changing the spraying condition. Next, we have cracking. Cracking is a stress-related failure and can be caused by surface movement, aging, absorption and desorption of moisture, and a general lack of flexibility of the coating. The thicker the film, the greater the possibility it will crack. To prevent cracking, use the correct coating systems, application techniques, and dry film thickness. Alternatively, use a more flexible coating system. Another common paint defect is cratering. Cratering occurs when trapped air or solvent bubbles burst, leaving small craters as the coating dries. The coating has insufficient time to flow into a uniform film. To prevent this defect, improve a spray technique. Apply a mist coat and avoid air entrainment during mixing. Add thinners as recommended by the paint supplier. Crazing is another type of paint defect, and it is caused by the application temperature being too low, incompatibility with the previous coating, or high film thickness. To prevent crazing, apply a thinner coat of paint and slower drying solvent. Check that application and drying conditions are correct for the paint system used, and check compatibility. Crowsfooting. Crowsfooting is a defect that occurs when the surface dries rapidly to form a skin, which then wrinkles as solvent slowly evaporates from the soft underlying paint. To prevent this, apply a thinner coat of paint, add slow drying thinners, and check that application and drying conditions are correct for the paint system used. Delamination is caused by poor surface preparation and application defects, such as contamination between coats, exceeding overcoat times, or application to a glossy surface. To prevent this defect, ensure that no contamination occurs between paint coats. Follow the recommended overcoating intervals and lightly abrade and clean glossy surfaces between coats. Fading is common by incorrect pigmentation. Use of non-light stable organic pigments, atmospheric contamination, or a porous substrate. To prevent fading, use correct coating systems that resist ultraviolet ray and fading, and use a coating with light stable pigments. So finally, we have flaking. This is a form of additional failure where paint flakes from the substrate. This can be caused by using an incorrect paint system or no pre-treatment for certain substrates. Poor application techniques or aging of the paint system. To prevent flaking, use the correct coating system and pre-treatment. So those are some common paint defects and tips on how to prevent them by taking the necessary precautions and using the correct techniques and materials. You can achieve a high quality paint job that lasts for a long time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.